Today we are going to begin with the lesson number 7 of your class 7 English, that is why don't you apologize. So let's begin with this lesson. No, not understanding a language can cause misunderstanding and lead to a lot of pain. जो आप किसी की लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ पाते उससे बहुत ज़्यादा मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो सकती है और बहुत ज़्यादा पेन मिल सकता है आपको. सो दे क्लोज्ड इन ऑन हिम. Two boys and one girl silently meaninglessly slow with their hands deep inside the pockets of their jeans. So they closed into him. They closed it on him. Two boys थे, एक girl थी silently. So the girl spoke first. Girl ने बोला, it was him. वो ये था वो. She pointed an accusing finger at a boy. उसने एक boy की तरफ finger कर दी, accuse करते हैं. He kicked me purposely. उसने एक purposely मुझे kick करा है. I am sure, यही है पक्का, मैं श्योर हूँ. He made me spill my lunch all over the place. मेरा lunch गिर गया, सारे में बिखर गया. And ran away leaving me to face the music. और मतलब मुझे छोड़ गया. Face the music मतलब cope the problem. So the boy started at her, his face a mask of fear and concentration. मतलब एक expression था fear का, डर का और focus था एकदम वो. He had not learned much Dutch in the 6 months of his stay in Amsterdam. वो मतलब 10 लैंग्वेज नहीं सीख पाया था एम्स्टरडेम में रह के 6 months तक. Despite the special language classes for its students in the afternoon, जो मतलब उसे मिलती थी स्पेशल लैंग्वेज क्लासेस जो मतलब फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स को मिलती है आफ्टरनून में. His fist clenched and unclenched nervously. मतलब clenched नहीं, closed tightly. His fist closed tightly and unclenched nervously, and he desperately searched for words. वो मतलब सोचता था कि मैं क्या बोलूँ. But all that came to him was confused jumble of Iranian phrases. मतलब हर कोई Iranian phrases में बोल रहा था उससे. He backed away. थोड़ा पीछे हुआ. His eyes darted around the empty schoolyard. मतलब खाली school ground जो था उसकी तरह schoolyard में वो देख रहा था. उसकी आंखें ढूंढ रही थी. Nobody was inside. उसे कोई नहीं दिख रहा था. Not even the housekeeper. उसे housekeeper भी नहीं दिख रहा था. Look here, you bully. The leader words hit him like a lash. एक लीडर ने बोला, Look here, you bully. Teasing the girls. Come on, apologize. तुमने tease करा गर्ल को, चलो apologize करो. That boy drew back. Boy मतलब थोड़ा और पीछे हटा. Proudly the other boy sneered. दूसरे boy ने क्या करा? Sneer करा. Too proud to apologize. Proud of what, you potato? मतलब तुम्हें ज़्यादा घमंड आ रहा है, तुम apologize नहीं करोगे. Proud of what? किस चीज़ का तुम्हें घमंड है? He kicked the gravel, sending a hail of sharp pebbles flying at a boy. उसने gravel फेंका, मतलब sending a hail of sharp pebbles, पत्थर फेंके जो boy की तरफ. The boy started at the children, bewildered. No, he murmured. No, उसने बोला no. Apologize instead. The leader jabbing his finger under the boy's chin, jabbing मतलब pushing उसकी boy के chin के अंदर boy finger push कर रहे थे. Come on, apologize, चलो apologize करो. The boy lips quivered. Boy के lips quiver करने लगे, डर गया वो. Shielding his face with hands, वो अपने face को बचाता हुआ. He retreated further. Apologized. The girl echoed with a cruel squeak. उसने एकदम गुस्से cruel squeak में बोला, आवाज में बोला, चलो apologize करो girl से. Apologize or it is against your pride. Apologize करो या फिर ये तुम्हारी pride के against है. The boy didn't answer. Boy ने कुछ answer नहीं करा. Speak up. The leader struck the boy sharply on the shoulder. Leader ने struck करा boy के sharply shoulder पे. Apologize. Silence. Apologize. उसमें silence था. Apologize. The boy didn't move. Boy move करा ही नहीं. The next two below landed on his nose. It stung like 1,000 needles. मतलब 1,000 needles की तरह लग रहा था उसकी nose पे. For a moment he thought that he would cry. उसको लगा वो रो जाएगा, but he did not. वो रोया नहीं. He wiped his face with the back of his sleeves. अपनी sleeves की back से उसने अपने wipe करा उसने face को. Anger burnt in him. उसके अंदर गुस्सा आया. Hot and explosive. They frightened him. उन्होंने उसको डराया. Come on, one of them said. He is asking for it. चलो, come on. They fell on him pell-mell, punching him with knotted furs. उसे punch कर रहे हैं. Blows rained down on him. Left, right, left. Blows मतलब उस पे blow rain कर रहे थे. Left, right, left. So, hold it. Stop it. A voice cracked like a wife. Hold it. रुको. Hold it. Strong hand grabbed the children by their collar. Strong hand ने children को उनकी collar से पकड़ा and pulled them away और उन्हें दूर खींचा. He stood there shifting uncomfortably, avoiding the eyes of the tall boy in yellow shirt. एक tall boy आया yellow sweatshirt में. So what's going on here? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Thunder Jan Van Dimmer, the captain of school's football team. किसने बोला? Jan Van Dimmer था, कौन सा captain था वो school football team का. Why have you picked on him? This is not the way to settle an argument. तुम इस पे क्यों pick कर रहे हो? मतलब ये तरीका नहीं है argument को settle करने का. He looked sharply at the leader. Why were you thrashing him? उसने sharply leader की तरफ देखा कि तुम इसे thrash क्यों कर रहे हो? He stuttered, the hefty boy. He doesn't want to apologize. He apologize नहीं कर रहा. You see, cried the girl. He hit me hard. उसने girl को you see गर्ल ने बोला he hit me hard, उसने मुझे तेजी से मारा. The least he can do is apologize. ये बस ये apologize कर सकता है, but he will not. But ये apologize भी नहीं कर रहा. The tall and turned to the Iranian boy. Iranian boy की तरफ देखा, looking at him with dark serious eyes. Dark serious eyes से देखा उसकी तरफ. Come on boy, he said kindly. Reached out hand and apologized. अपना hand reach out करो, apologize कर लो. The boy didn't move. He stood there and tense. Boy हिला नहीं, वहाँ पे खड़ा रहा tense में. His brows knitted. उसकी brows knit करने लगी. His lips quivered. उसके lips quiver कर रहे थे. Come on, urged Jan Vidimir. मतलब Jan Vidimir ने बोला, चलो come on, be a sport. Apologize to these wildcats. चलो wildcats मतलब ये quick tempered peoples को apologize कर लो. So the dark eyes of Iranian boy filled with misery. He swallowed hard. उसकी eyes में swallow करा उसने hardly. उसकी eyes बहुत misery filled थी. Come on boy, why don't you? चलो, come on क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? A dark sob broke from the boy lips. No, dark sob निकला boy के lips से. No. Why not? For God's sake, why not? क्यों नहीं? God's sake, why not? तुम क्यों नहीं करना चाहते? Because the boy's voice rose. Because I don't know apologize. मुझे नहीं पता apologize क्या है. I don't understand apologize. मुझे नहीं पता. I speak little Dutch. मैं थोड़ी बहुत Dutch बोलता हूँ. Very little Dutch. Please forgive. मैं बहुत थोड़ी सी Dutch बोलता हूँ. Please मुझे माफ कर दो. So this story is of Sigun Srivastav. Now let's answer the following questions. What did the girl accuse the boy of doing? Stealing her lunch, teasing her, kicking her, या ignoring her? Kicking her. What language did the boy not understand, which caused the misunderstanding? The two boy and the girl advanced menacingly because they were angry with the boy, happy with the boy, threatened by the boy, encouraged by their friends to do so. Angry with the boy. The boy looked at them with fear and concentration because he had not done his homework. He did not want to be friends with them, was unable to understand what they are threatening him, was unable to fight with them, was unable to understand why they were threatening him. The children became more and more aggressive as the boy continued to talk to them politely, argue with them, refuse to make friends with them, stand quietly and not to do what the children asked him to do. So stand quietly and not do what the children asked him to do. Now answer the following question. Where did the boy live? Which country did he belong? Where did the boy live? Which country did he belong to? The boy lived in France and he belongs to French nationality. So second, where did the children think when the boy did not apologize? The children thought the boy refused to make friends with her girl and being rude or unfriendly. What did the boy react when the children became aggressive? The boy stood quietly and did not speak anything, and because he was not able to understand what they are asking to him. Why did the boy not apologize to girl? The boy did not apologize because he was unable to understand their language. How did the boy react when asked apologize? He just stands still because he did not know what they are asking him to do. He did not know the meaning of apologize. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.